What does home mean to you? Which home do you want? A warm home, a cool home, a comfortable home. For better residence culture, for dreaming more happiness, the world Kitarami is realizing. Now, Kitarami is the closest to you. Is at the center of change in residence culture. After its foundation, Kitarami has grown as Korea's representative company leading the boiler industry as Korean masterpiece boiler true to the name, maintaining the first position for 16 years in brand power of Korean industry in home boiler selection, and also maintaining the first position for 7 years in competitiveness index of national brand. We are proud to acquire about 580 invention patents, utility model patents, various national international certifications, and international standard. In the new market, we have made a challenge with continuous technology development and specialized know-how. Even in refrigeration and air conditioning field, we have acquired strong technical skills of air conditioning, such as Kitarami Bunyeong Air Conditioning Incorporated, Shinseong Engineering Incorporated, and Century Incorporated, all of which have the best technical skills in Korea. As a result of steady efforts for technology independence, we acquired Anchor certification first in Korea, ASME certification, and KEPIC certification for delivery to nuclear power plants, and also S-Mark from Japan, CE from Europe, and UL certification from the US. From various life spaces including house to industry facilities including nuclear power plants, shipbuilding, we are embracing all heater-cooler area and new and renewable energy area leading low-carbon green growth. To be reborn as the world's best specialized company in heating and cooling. The history of Kitarami means the boiler history in Korea. Based on our unique tradition, ondol heating culture, Kitarami leads domestic boiler industry. Starting from early 1960s in Mapo apartment, we opened the hot water boiler era for home use in Korea for the first time. Distributing and developing the world's first hot water pipe ondol heating, Kitarami developed the nation's first oil boiler KS #1 in the 1970s, hardening its position as the specialized company in boilers. In the 1990s, when city gases started to be supplied, big enterprises were distributing after importing instantaneous gas boilers made for Western-style heating. But Kitarami were developing hot water storage type gas boilers, Korean ondol boiler, upgrading domestic boiler industry step by step. Continuously developing new products, coping with the latest trend, and having definite faith emphasizing technology at the center, Kitarami has contributed to mechanical industry in Korea for the last half-century. In recognition of such contribution, we won the Gold Tower Korean Technology Award. Jin-min Choi, the founder of Kitarami Boiler, was selected as 60 engineers who have raised contributed Korean technology industry after independence. We were also chosen as 100 technology leaders in Korea because of our manufacturing technology on the hot water storage type gas boiler, Korean ondol boiler. Kitarami Boiler, being loved internationally with its excellence in ondol heating. The world's first developed high-fin condensing gas boiler and high-fin gas boiler are evaluated as new era of heat exchanging technology in 100 years of gas usage history. The world-class invention of the hot water storage type boiler applied with condensing technology. It is much amount of hot water because it is embedded with stainless hot water coils inside the expansion tank. And the hot water storage type heat exchanger with the compact high-fin smoke pipe excellent in heating exchanging. Kiturami is evaluated as the world's best even in boiler safety with its self-developed patent technology such as gas leakage detector and seismic sensor against unprecedented natural disaster. Kiturami is proud to use 98% of parts made in Korea and the world's largest producing capacity of 1.2 million units per year. Kiturami Cheongdo factory has batch production process from parts to end products. It includes SMT facility, which is technology of assessing electronic parts to assess pattern of PCB surface via soldering. Completely automated inspection facility, which inspects various functions of boilers by section to enhance much inspection capability and productivity. Precision parts, which can produce about 550,000 units per year in full operation BLDC automatic wending machine. And stainless heat exchanger brazing furnace, the best brazing technology which allows completely automated mass production. Developing and producing each one of main parts directly and securing excellence of products and equal equality. Kiturami realizes company philosophy to make the world best products. As the forefront multiple cooling heating production base raising future of Kiturami, Asan place of business procedures, boilers, air conditioners, refrigeration, and air conditioning devices, such as laser welding facility or hot water storage type heat exchangers, which automates laser welding, and realizes cost reduction by the rate of operation without off-season. Thus, it secures competitiveness in fusion market of heating and cooling starting in the world and sets stable base. We are positioning ourselves as the company recognized in the world beyond Korea. Via the forefront multiple production system and batch manufacturing system, Kiturami developed and produced highly efficient intensive product in new technology such as high-fin condensing gas boiler. High-fin gas boilers innovating energy efficiency for 21st century. Kiturami have gained popularity from overseas beyond Korea. High-fin condensing gas boilers embedded with hot water tank and instantaneous water heaters of condensing gas are displayed on New York exhibition in the US, gaining a lot of orders and praises with its rich hot water and fuel saving from boiler manufacturers and facility companies in the US. In addition, in Moscow exhibition in Russia, Kiturami is recognized in its technology beyond European products as eco-friendly boilers saving fuel, such as twin alpha boiler, firewood boiler, pellet boiler, etc., along with high-fin condensing gas boiler. Besides, KF35 and KF60 wood-fired boiler spreading twice. Dry-type pellet burner, which can convert an oil or a gas boiler to a pellet boiler. Pellet boiler, to which dry-type premixed whirlpool pellet burner is applied. Instantaneous water heater cascade system, to which 4 units of condensing instantaneous water heaters are connected. Medium-sized cascade system, to which a separable hot water supply boiler and the high-fin medium boiler are connected. And cascade system dedicated for heating, which saves fuel costs and much and occupies boiler installation floor and makes it easy to move the boiler. Kiturami have created boilers of new concepts with various new technologies. We inspires warmth beyond Korea to the world such as Russia, China, Mongolia, Brazil, and New Zealand, as well as Europe and the US, the homes of boilers. As a living history of Korean heating industry, for warm and happy living grounds, always considering customers the first, Kiturami continues to challenge toward the world and the people. Kiturami will create the warm world joined with energy.